Guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to see your YouTube recap on the YouTube app. Now if you do not have your YouTube application, go ahead and download it, and also if you have it and do not have the updated version, update the version of your YouTube so that you'll be able to have this feature. Now if you already have that, go ahead and click on the YouTube app to open. Now, once the YouTube app opens, if this is the first time you are opening your YouTube app in a while, it's going to display you the YouTube recap. But if you cannot find it, the easier way to do it, just right here on the bottom right icon where it says you, or it might be on the top area for you, just where you have your profile icon, click on that. Now, when you click on this, it's going to display. Now, immediately you click on this S icon, you might no longer see it because this means you want to delete your YouTube recap. But if you do not want to delete it, you click on it to have it open, and it's going to open. And it's going to start playing your 2025 YouTube recap. Now, after the introduction, it's going to show you all of this. Now, if this is playing, you can actually see a save icon on the bottom area, so you'll be able to save it. If you do not see it, probably because that area is not optional. But now you can see the download icon. You click on this download button. This is going to download and it's going to save to your image, and the next one you can also download it. So if I go over to my gallery area, I can see the downloaded YouTube recap that I just downloaded. This is mine right here, so you can see it. So every time you can always see them, see everything, and let's say everything is loading, I can always close this, right? And then I can always see it. But if you do not want to see it, you can click on this three-dotted icon right here, and then you delete the recap. Now note that if you delete this, it's no longer going to show anymore, except maybe next year if this is available, then you can now see it. But if that's not the case and you do not want to delete it, just leave it this way. And also you can also share this without downloading it. You can share it on other social media. So guys, this is what I want to share with you. If it's helpful, don't forget to smash like, and I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.